Listen, don't run off too fast. I know you saw that spiciness and were like, oh no, this one ain't for me. And I'm here to tell you, this one is for you. I'm gonna show you guys how to make Korean fire chicken. Man, it's delicious. Trust me. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here we have our chicken thighs. I cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now, if you don't eat chicken thighs, you want to use breast, you can also use that. We have chicken stock. We're using some cabbage. Now, you can also omit the cabbage. I just like the veggie approach to it. Sometimes you can find recipes where they make it with cabbage or without cabbage. Totally up to you. We have some mozzarella cheese, that freshly grated mozzarella cheese. We have some onions. And right here, I'm gonna mess up the name, but it's a gochujang Korea hot pepper paste. You definitely wanna use that. And right here we have the Takuyang red pepper powder. I know I messed that one up too, man. So I'll leave a link in the video description below for both of these. Right here we have sesame oil, some minced garlic, some minced ginger. We have some cornstarch, canola oil, sweet paprika to help balance all that heat. Right here we have some corn syrup and soy sauce here. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's get to it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to take our chicken pieces and we're gonna add them right here to this bowl, along with our cabbage and our onions. And we're just gonna get that mixed in. You could, go in with your hands, mix it up, try to keep it all in the bowl, like I'm not doing. All right, guys, just like that, we're gonna move this aside. Bring over a small bowl, and we're gonna start making our sauce. And we're gonna do that by adding our Korean chili paste in here, our chili powder. Now guys, if you want to cut back on the heat, definitely use less chili powder, but our sweet paprika is gonna balance that out. Just a little bit, not much, but it's gonna balance it out. Our canola oil, sesame oil, that corn syrup, and our soy sauce. We're just gonna get at a good mix like this. And this is what you're looking for, that deep red flavor. Let's add our garlic and our minced ginger. Forgot about that. That was sitting over to the side. We're gonna get that mixed on in here too. Guys, take a look at that. That's what you're looking for. All right, so we're gonna bring our chicken back over in the mix. We're gonna take our chili paste mixture. We're just gonna add it to our chicken just like that. And all we're gonna do is get that mixed in like this. All right, guys, look what we have. See that deep reddish color? That's what we're looking for. Now we're just gonna sit this aside for about 30 minutes to an hour. Let those flavors get together. Get married, go out on dates, let them do what they do. And then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna continue the recipe, all right? All right, so it's been about 30 minutes. So we're gonna take our pan, take about 2 tablespoons of canola oil. We're gonna heat that pan up over a medium heat. Then once the oil hits that smoke point, you wanna start adding all your chicken into the pan. Now we wanna hit it with a little salt and a little pepper to taste. And we're just gonna move this baby around. We wanna cook this until the outside of the chicken starts to brown. All right, guys, so it's been about 4 minutes. Our chicken is looking good. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add our chicken broth, or if you don't have chicken broth, you can add water. We're gonna cover it up. We're gonna drop this down to low, and we're gonna continue to let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes until that chicken is cooked thoroughly, okay? All right, so we're about 12 minutes in. Guys, look at what we have. Oh man, this is looking absolutely amazing. So we're gonna turn off our heat. I'm gonna remove our pan from our cooktop. We're gonna head over to our cutting board. I'm gonna put this in a baking dish. Now, you can keep this in your pan right here if you want to and just skip to the next step. Or, for me, I'm gonna put mine in my toaster oven on the broil and this thing won't fit in there, all right? All right, so now we're just gonna pour our mixture right here in this baking dish. Now we're gonna top it with our mozzarella cheese. And we're gonna stick this on the broiler for about 7 to 10 minutes until that cheese browns and bubble. Keep an eye on it, guys, because you don't want to burn your cheese too much, all right? So let's get this in our broiler. And guys, this is what we have, about 8 minutes under the broiler. We're gonna top that off with some green stuff, some of those green onions, scallions, whatever you want to call it. And there you have it, Korean fire chicken. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna jump into quality control so we can take a bite out of crime. All right, let's go. Yep, quality control time, guys. I put me a little bit of that Korean fried chicken in here. Step up to the front of the congregation. Y'all see how cheesy. Look at that. Oh man. Y'all know y'all love that. I know y'all love that. All right, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Not as spicy as I thought it was, but spicy. I thought it was gonna be overwhelming. But I love a good spicy dish that's not spicy just for no reason at all. It has some spice along with some flavor. And this Korean fried chicken is definitely that. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. Always everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.